Estée Lauder Pure Color Melt-On Glosstick, Plumping and Moisturizing Lip Gloss. The Melt-On Gloss Stick is a hybrid lip product that melts upon application, offering the precision of a lipstick and the glossy finish of a traditional gloss. The star shade, 156 Melted Rose, is a universally flattering pink nude with a sheer to medium buildable formula. Key features: 1. Format, twist-up stick for mess-free application. 2. Finish, high shine, mirror-like gloss. 3. Technology, infused with moisturizing agents like hyaluronic acid and plumping peptides. 4. Origin, crafted in South Korea, leveraging K-beauty innovation. Benefits of using: 1. Hydration boost, hyaluronic acid locks in moisture for 8+ hours. 2. Natural plump, peptides enhance lip volume without irritation. 3. High shine finish, reflects light for youthful, fuller appearance. 4. Lightweight feel, non-sticky formula lets lips breathe. 5. Buildable color, adjust coverage from subtle sheen to bold gloss. It's ideal for everyday wear or special occasions. Ready to transform your lip game? This gloss stick is your ticket to lush, pillowy lips. Follow my channel, like, and share this video.